Ahoy, me mateys! I've got a treat for you all, or for myself actually. I custom ordered the chicken Parmesan, mozzarella, cheese, mozzarella, and marinara sauce on a ciabatta bun here at Mimi's Cafe in the Arden area, next to the what is that chicken restaurant next to In-N-Out and right, anyway, so let's go dig in. Alright, now that is delicious there. Yeah, so, they'll probably ask, if you ask for it, they'll probably do it. Yes, I was inspired by Burger King actually, many years ago. It's delicious. Alright, let's go, stay foxy.